Hello guys, welcome back to Cabello. Welcome back to update for month number 8 of doing Minoxidil, using Minoxidil on my face. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So let's start with my left side as always. You can see I shaved recently. This is about 5 days of growth, 6 days of growth. And this is what it looks like. It's interesting to see it shorter. I feel like you can see the development better than when it's longer, and you can see what areas are really developing and what areas are really empty. You can see this spot right here is getting way better now. It's about to be completely full. If you compare it with months before, you can see a big hole right here usually, and now there is definitely more growing there. So that's nice to see. This little spot here, it's empty as always, but I think that's just genetics, and I think that's just gonna stay like that. But I don't mind that, to be honest with you. Then down here, still pretty weak. It's still pretty short, but it's still pretty weak. I don't might have to roll more often down here or something. I don't know. Um, Moving on to the middle, mouth, upper lip, and underlip. So here you can see my mustache. Let's see, there we go. So here you can see my mustache. It's getting way better. When it's shorter, you can't really see it as much. But when it gets a little longer, you can see there's definitely more transitional hairs than before. And I'm pretty happy about that. Derma Roller has definitely helped a lot with that. So that's really nice to see. Connectors right here are doing pretty well. Underlip is getting fuller. You can see this is like growing more, like getting higher up my chin. And then over here is getting fuller too, this little hole that I have right here. This connector is a little slower as always. But, still getting there. Slowly but surely. And, yeah, my chin. This is what it looks like right now at 8 months. You can definitely tell it's wider. Like, it expands all the way right to this point now, which is pretty cool. Down there, you still have this like big spot in the middle, but yeah, it's not terrible. Moving on to the right side, which again is pretty hard for me to show, but you can definitely tell this spot right here, still empty, but getting better. And yeah, that's what my right looks like. I can't really be too detailed with it because I honestly can't see my phone when I turn that way. But yeah, that'll be month number 8, 8 months in minoxidil. It's getting a little hard, to be honest, to keep going. It's a lot of, I don't know, I don't even know how to express it. It's just hard. It's hard to keep applying every day, every night, trying to maintain that routine. But, seeing progress helps a lot and helps you keep consistent with it. So yeah, I think that'll do it for month number 8. This is what I'm at now, and Happy New Year's, guys! And I hope all your beer wishes come true. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.